back. Let's get you an update on the Tuticorin custodial deaths that we are getting to know, where the NHRC has taken cognizance of the matter and has issued a notice to the Tuticorin SP and the Tamil Nadu DGP and the Inspector General of Prisons Tamil Nadu as well, and a sort of report into the entire incident on the custodial death matter of Jayaraj and his son Phoenix. Now a response has been sought in 6 weeks' time. Sanjeevi is with us to give us more updates on this NHRC notice now that have been issued, Sanjeevi, at the time when inquiry is also underway in the case of custodial deaths. What more can you tell us on this notice?
Well, Amita, the National Human Rights Commission has sent a notice to Tamil Nadu DGP, Tuticorin SP and Kovilpatti Sub-Jail SP over the custodial deaths of Jayaraj and Phoenix. So NHRC basically seeks inquest report, a post-mortem report, treatment record of the victims, screening record of both victims at the time of admission, and any other report of inquiry conducted during the time of inquiry. So the NHRC has also sought the officials of Tamil Nadu to file a response within 6 weeks of time. If they fail to respond within the stipulated time, NHRC warns that they will be forced to take a coercive process under Section 13 to protect the rights of humans. So basically, they also said that if they doesn't, provide an answer within 6 weeks of time, they will summon to appear before the NHRC and explain on this matter. So very, severe time, because the national the people across the country were talking on this issue last week. Many cricketers, celebrities from Bollywood, and also many of the Tamil actors were talking on this issue. But NHRC has taken the matter into the account now, has sent a notice to Tamil Nadu DGP, Prisons IG and Tuticorin SP on this matter to produce all the records and evidences which has been collected till now, and has given 6 weeks time to produce all the evidences before. So if they fail to produce the evidence which they want in the stipulated time, then they have to appear before the NHRC Commission, is what the statement says, Amita.
Will it impact any way in already the investigation that is taking place, Sanjeevi, because it is upon the police brutality itself that is being questioned, and the police itself have been asked to file a report on this issue?
Well, this is not going to anyway affect the investigation which is going on right now, because the Madras High Court has intervened and asked the CBCID team of Tamil Nadu Police to inquire this matter till the CBI takes up the matter. Remember, 3 days back, the Tamil Nadu Chief Minister Edappadi Palaniswamy has transferred this case to CBI. So until then, till a team is formed in CBI and till the CBI takes up the case, the CBCID team, which has been formed by the Tamil Nadu government as ordered by the Madras High Court, will inquire the case. In fact, they're already on the ground investigating this matter. So that is not going to affect the ongoing investigation anyway. That is why NHRC also has given 6 weeks time, at least 1.5 months time, to file the entire report before them. So it's not going to affect the investigation which is going on right now on any ways.
All right. So that is there is update in the custodial death case of the father-son duo in Tamil Nadu, where the NHRC has taken cognizance of the matter and has issued a notice to the Tuticorin SP, the Tamil Nadu DGP, the Inspector General of Prisons Tamil Nadu, and has also sought a report into the custodial deaths of Jayaraj and his son Phoenix. Now, a response that has been sought from these administration officials is 6 weeks' time.